Chapter 2 The Legislative Function Article 103 Special laws may be passed because they are required by the nature of things, but not because of differences between persons. After its entry into force, the law is applied to the consequences of existing legal relations and situations, and it does not have retroactive force or effect, except in both cases in criminal matters when such application favors the defendant. A law is repealed only by another law. A law is null by declaration of unconstitutionality. The Constitution does not endorse the abuse of rights doctrine. Article 104. Congress may delegate the power to legislate to the executive branch through legislative decrees on specific matters and in the term established by the authorizing law. Congress may not delegate those non-delegable matters to the Permanent Assembly. As to their promulgation, publication, enforcement, and effects, legislative decrees are subject to the same rules governing the law. The President of the Republic reports to Congress or the Permanent Assembly on each legislative decree. Article 105. No bill shall be passed without previously approval of the competent ruling committee, except as provided in the standing rules of Congress. Bills sent by the executive branch of an urgent nature shall have priority in Congress. Article 106. Organic acts govern the structure and operation of state bodies as defined in the Constitution, as well as other matters whose regulation by such acts is established in the Constitution. Bills of organic acts are proceeded like any other law. In order to pass or amend them, the vote of more than half of the legal number of members of Congress is required. Chapter 3 Lawmaking and Enactment Article 107. Both the President of the Republic and the Congressmen have the right to initiative in lawmaking. The same right in matters within their competence is also enjoyed by the other state branches, autonomous public agencies, regional and local governments, and professional associations. Likewise, citizens possess the right to initiative in accordance with the law. Article 108. As provided in the Constitution, the passed law is referred to the President of the Republic for enactment within 15 days. If the President of the Republic fails to enact the law, the President of Congress or the President of Permanent Assembly is responsible for its enactment, as appropriate. If the President of the Republic has observations to share regarding the whole or any part of the law passed by Congress, he shall submit them to the legislature within 15 days. Once the law has been reconsidered by Congress, its President enacts the law with the vote of more than half the legal number of congressmen. Article 109. The law comes into force the day following its publication in the official gazette unless a provision of the state law delays its effect in whole or in part.